Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this recent breakdown from this rising wedge pattern. And you can see that after the breakdown, the price then first broke down this support of $5.65. And now recently we have broken it out. And now the price then is about to make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $6.45. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November, 2023 with my members. And you can see this was a harmonic bullish versus cipher pattern. And after the completion of this final leg, the price end was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that after some price correction, it can re-enter the buying zone, and then we can buy it from the buying zone. And this was our buying range, and this was our sell target zone. And below $2.13 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then after some correction re-entered the same a potential reversal zone or buying zone of this cipher pattern. Then we had a very nice price accumulation, and after that the price then started a very massive rally that was almost 187% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And previously, we have been watching this breakout first. I was showing you this breakout when we were testing the support here by the way. And the price one was testing this previous resistance of the triangle as a support. You can see we had a breakout, we had a nice pump, but got rejected by this resistance of $2.65. You can see for several days it has been breaking as a resistance here and here as well, and again dropped down. And in fact, we tested the support of the triangle as well. We entered the triangle, and then we had another gear up from this support, and again we dropped down at the resistance. Then we had a very powerful rally, and you can see that now here recently we formed another rising wedge pattern, and this is the bearish bias pattern. And you can see that the price sign broke down the support of this wedge, and the target to the downside was here at the bottom of the wedge, that is approximately at $3.20. And you can see that the price and first broke down this support of $5.65. And in my earlier video, I was telling you that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Therefore, now we can expect a price correction. And you can say that during this correction move, the price is slightly moved up, and it has broken out this previous resistance that was previously breaking as a support, and now it was breaking as a resistance. And now it is very close to hit the next resistance of $6.45. By the way, after that, we will have the next resistance here at $7.30. If the price then will be able to break it out, then it can continue its rally to the upside for the long term. And this $7.30 will become a very strong and long-term support for the price, and this rally will be continue for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.